Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a journal entry indicating your mood and what you have done today, what goals have you achieved and so on the Blobby application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on this smile icon at the top of the screen. Then select your mood by the relevant emoji and write about your day into this box down below. And then if you are done with your journal entry, all you have to do is clicking on the save button down below. So if you tap on the calendar icon and click on the relevant day, you will be able to see your journal entry and your mood indicated with the with that particular emoji that you have chosen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.